Your truck bed is pitch black at night, making it nearly impossible to find tools, load cargo safely, or even see what you're stepping on. But here's the thing, installing professional-grade LED lighting doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best truck bed lighting systems that actually deliver on brightness, durability, and value. These aren't just random picks, they're backed by thousands of real user reviews and proven performance in harsh conditions. Links to all products are in the description box below, so let's dive in. Number 1. Nilight 3-piece 60-inch bed light strip. Taking our top spot is Nilight's 3-piece LED strip system, and for good reason. This kit has racked up over 7,000 customer reviews on Amazon with a solid 4.4-star rating, which tells you people are actually using these and loving them. Here's what makes this system stand out. You're getting 270 LEDs total. That's 90 LEDs per 60-inch strip, pumping out an impressive 3,900 lumens. To put that in perspective, that's bright enough to light up even the darkest corners of an 8-foot bed. The 6000K cool white temperature gives you that crisp, daylight-like visibility that makes finding tools or loading cargo effortless even at midnight. Installation is straightforward. The kit comes complete with everything you need: on-off switch, blade fuse, 2-way splitter cable, and a 78-inch extension wire. The strips have 3M adhesive backing, plus they include mounting brackets and zip ties for extra security. Most users report completing installation in under 45 minutes. Now here's something to consider. The adhesive is designed to be repositionable during installation, which is great for getting placement perfect. However, this means you'll want to add those included zip ties or mounting brackets for long-term security, especially if you drive on rough roads or use your truck hard. Many users recommend this anyway for maximum hold. Coming in at number 2 is MICTUNING's 2-piece truck bed strip. MICTUNING has been in the automotive lighting game since 2013 with over 20 patents, so you're dealing with a company that knows LED technology inside and out. This kit delivers 180 super bright LEDs, 90 per strip, using the same 50/50 SMD chip technology as premium systems. The 6000K cool white output provides excellent visibility without being harsh on the eyes. What's interesting here is that many users with standard 5.5 to 6.5 foot beds report that 2 strips provide more than adequate coverage, saving money without sacrificing performance. The complete installation package includes an on-off switch, blade fuse, and 2-way splitter cable. The self-adhesive 3M backing is supplemented with mounting brackets and zip ties. Power wire length is generous enough to route to your battery or any switched power source you prefer. Here's what to keep in mind. While 2 strips work great for standard beds, if you've got an 8-foot bed or want maximum illumination in every corner, you might find yourself wishing for that 3rd strip. It's not a deal breaker. The 2 strips still provide excellent coverage, but it's worth considering based on your bed size and how you use your truck. The real advantage here is value. You're getting MICTUNING's proven quality and excellent customer service at a lower price point than 3-piece systems. Forum users consistently praise the company's warranty support and quick response times if any issues arise. Number 3. MICTUNING 3-piece 60-inch truck bed lights. For those who want maximum coverage and don't mind spending a bit more, MICTUNING's 3-piece system delivers premium performance. This is essentially the big brother to our number 2 pick, cranking things up with 270 super bright LEDs across 3 60-inch strips. What sets this kit apart is the extended wiring setup. You get 2 79-foot power wires plus 1 20-foot power wire, giving you incredible flexibility in how you route and install the system. This is particularly useful for complex installations or if you want to tap into specific power sources. The 50/50 SMD LED technology at 6000K provides brilliant, consistent illumination across the entire bed. Safety features include a quality on-off switch and blade fuse for circuit protection. The IP67 waterproof rating and premium adhesive backing ensure durability in any weather condition. One thing to note, the longer wiring, while offering flexibility, can require more careful routing and securing during installation. You'll want to take your time tucking cables properly to avoid any pinch points or areas where they might get snagged. It adds maybe 10 to 15 minutes to installation time, but the result is a cleaner, more professional look. Number 4. LEDGlow 8-piece white truck bed lighting. Now we're switching from strip lights to pod-based systems, and LEDGlow brings something unique to the table. This 8-pod setup features 48 ultra-bright SMD LEDs, 6 per pod, delivering clean 5000K white light. The game changer here is the ultra-low profile design. We're talking pods that are only a 1/4 inch thick and 1.3 inches square. This means you can tuck them under bed rails, along edges, or anywhere you want light without the obvious strip appearance. If you prefer a more discreet OEM look installation, pods are the way to go. But here's where it gets really interesting. LEDGlow offers an optional magnetic power switch that automatically turns the lights on when your tailgate opens. This hands-free operation is incredibly convenient when your arms are full of cargo or tools. The generous 21 feet of power wire with 2 inches spacing between pods gives you plenty of flexibility in placement. The consideration with pod systems is installation requires a bit more planning than strip lights. You need to map out optimal placement for even coverage. And while the low profile is great for aesthetics, each pod needs to be positioned and secured individually. Budget an extra 15 to 20 minutes compared to strip installation. However, the professional appearance and customization options often make this extra effort worthwhile. Number 5. Xprite White Truck Pickup Bed Light Kit. Rounding out our list is Xprite's 8-piece pod system, and this is where budget-conscious buyers find solid performance without breaking the bank. Xprite has been manufacturing LED lighting since 2014, with products designed in the USA, focusing on delivering value without sacrificing quality. This system includes 24 bright LEDs across 8 pods, 3 LEDs per pod, which provides adequate illumination for most truck bed needs. The IP68 waterproof rating actually exceeds many competitors, offering superior water resistance. The complete wiring kit includes 21 feet of power wire with an on-off switch. What's interesting about Xprite is the variety of options. Beyond standard white, they offer multiple color choices, and there's even an RGB version with Bluetooth control for those who want color-changing effects. This makes it popular with the show truck crowd and younger buyers who want customization. Here's the honest assessment. With only 3 LEDs per pod, you're getting less total light output than the other systems on this list. It's definitely bright enough for general use, loading gear, finding tools, seeing what's in your bed, but if you do detailed work or need maximum illumination, you might find yourself wanting more brightness. That said, for casual use and general visibility, it absolutely gets the job done. Each of these lighting systems brings something different to the table, whether it's maximum brightness, budget-friendly value, low-profile aesthetics, or smart features like automatic activation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.